In this short video, we'll look how EDNS client subnet information is used to make more informed load balancing decisions for Dell ECS storage. Consider a medical imaging scenario where ECS Connection Manager is balancing traffic across the storage infrastructure. A device on the network starts generating significant traffic load and gets directed to a node providing services to other clients. This additional traffic load has an impact on other clients connected to this storage node, resulting in poorer user experience. With each of these periodic traffic tsunamis, the heavy-hitting device gets balanced across different nodes, resulting in performance degradation for other users. ECS Connection Manager can create an affinity between these heavy hitters and a specific storage node, removing the sporadic impacts on other users. No resilience is lost, as should the heavy hitter's preferred storage node fail, ECS Connection Manager will automatically direct traffic to remaining nodes.